Alright, we're going to tear into this bad boy. It's the Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner. Alright. Yeah, Cosmo, we got this for you, buddy. Right off the bat, what I see in here, we've got the user manual, which you guys know I hate to read those. That's really long, too. Anyway, we'll come back to that. Okay, and then this has got, oh, there's a quick start guide now. I like these. These are like Cliff's Notes for putting stuff together. All right, so we got that in there. This is a brush roll cover cleaner. And then we got some fancy schmancy deep clean and neutralize stuff that goes into it. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Okay, and then in here we've got, I'm sure that's going to hold the liquid. Set this stuff over here. We've got, I think this red thing, is that a bag maybe?
Yeah, that's the roller.
That's the roller? Okay. Glad you're here to help me with this.
It's not a vacuum, it's a carpet cleaner.
Thank you. Looks like a handle of some kind. There we go. That's what we got there. Okay, so this is what we have once we get the box emptied. So what do we have here, hon?
That is the solution.
That's the solution. That's what we're looking for, is a solution. What about this?
Upper handle pole.
Upper handle pole. Okay.
And then
that's the upper handle?
Yeah.
And what do we got in this red bag?
I'm not sure.
We still don't know. That's the mystery bag. Okay.
Does it look like a cover? Does it look like a...
It could be a cover. That might be what it is.
It's not on the list of items.
This brush roll cover cleaner. Oh, cover cleaner. So, all right. And then, what is this called? A tank?
That is the clean water tank.
Clean water tank.
And the other one is the dirty water tank.
That one's the dirty water tank.
Yeah. And then that orange at the bottom with the white teeth.
The orange at the bottom.
Power spin brush roll.
Power spin brush roll. Okay. All right, well, let's put this guy together. Okay, it goes in like that. So what I do, I switch it around this way. Okay.
Then slide it in the hole in the top.
And then we just slide this in up here.
Yeah.
There's a little button on the back here, so that puts it down in there.
Okay, and then take that out of the baggie and put it on.
Talking about this?
Yeah, the water tank.
Okay, now we're going to take the
Clean water tank.
clean water tank. All right, so there's something, little plug here on the side.
Yeah, go ahead and
Take that off.
yeah.
Okay. Boy, that sucker's on there tight.
Do you have your knife?
Yeah, I do. But okay. So that's probably just the lid. Yeah. Goes on like this, it looks like.
Exactly what it is.
Okay. So this is probably just going to screw in.
Upside down and snaps into the top.
Okay, so we've got this is the clean water tank. Says it right there. We've got the lid on there, whatever you call that. And then we're going to slide this down into that hole securely. Okay, it's in there. Okay, it was as simple as that. So now we're going to see what this red cover is all about. I guess it just covers it up. Not using it.
Oh, maybe it's for you to sit it on. Yeah, it's like for you to park it on.
Okay, so this is just like the parking space for the unit. Okay. Wow, we had that wrong, didn't we?
Yeah, and then that.
Okay, so I'm gonna set that over here.
Cleaner
And then this
is to clean those bristles
cleans these bristles.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and flip this over just so we can kind of look at it underneath. And that's
You
what
don't
it looks
ever
like.
want to do that when there's water in it.
But, yeah. But so I'm assuming that it goes like this. Cleans the bristle up.
Yeah.
So you stick
If
that
it's
up
a
in there.
pet carpet cleaner, there's going to be a lot of hair involved. We have to vacuum before we...
Okay, so now we're going to put some liquid in it and stuff. And what we got here is deep clean and neutralize paws and claws. So talking about you, Cosmo. It's 2 times carpet cleaning formula. Okay, there's our small stain that we're going to attack.
So I filled it up to water where it says water.
Okay.
With hot water and then solution until.
Okay, so first you filled up the hot water up to here, and then you poured in the solution.
Yeah.
Up to.
It's probably almost half that bottle, I guess.
Okay. And that was this bottle right here. So now put that sucker back in there. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we've got it plugged in, and the next thing is we're going to step on the handle, release pedal to recline the unit into cleaning position.
So that would be this pedal.
Okay.
And this is the other pedal they're talking about.
That's the on and off pedal. So I'm going to go ahead and step here, and that releases the latch so I can bring it back. Okay, now we're going to step on the on and off pedal to turn it on. Then I'm going to slowly push forward, then backwards, while squeezing the trigger to apply water and cleaning solution. Then I'm going to release the trigger and slowly push forward, then backwards to remove water and dry carpet. Okay, so here we go. So now we gotta wait and see how our stain turns out. Okay, and on that little job right there we just did, that's how much of the water we used. And then down here, you can see it sucked up water through here. And so that's what we got right now. Now we're just gonna see if it took the stain out. Already off the bat, I can already see that stain is starting to go away. To take that out, you just press on that orange handle.
And this is not a carry handle.
Right, it's not a carry handle.
It could be a disaster.
Okay,
so it's
so
really easy to use.
Didn't take us long at all. So we're gonna let this dry a little bit and we'll check the stain. Okay, so in our downstairs area, we went ahead and cleaned until this thing was almost empty. So now we got it filled up with hot water again and some more solution. You don't have to put very much in there, just a little bit. So I'm gonna
empty the.
And we emptied that.
And I pulled all the hair out.
And what did you say about that compared to this?
Do not lift it by that handle.
Don't lift it by that handle. So we're gonna try the same thing right here. And this has probably been here for at least 5 years because we bought the house and it was already here. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so now we've got the back empty.
Used up all that water.
Used it all up. Okay. Now what do we do after that?
Just pull that out.
So I'm gonna press this. It's the first time I've done this. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna dump all that. I'm afraid to do this. See, can you tell we have a pet? Yeah. So that's what the filter's for. So you want to make sure you clean that red screen for maximum performance. So we're already doing that now, and we just used it for the first time. So folks, we're actually witnessing a miracle here. The carpet that when we bought this house, we've always had this area here covered up with a rug. So there were so many dark spots, and they have all been, for the most part, removed. What do you think, Cosmo? Cosmo likes it. Hey folks, thanks for watching today. Make sure that if you found some value in this video, please subscribe and like the video and share with your friends. All right, keep on rocking the retired life.